I'm Rashmi Kotharkar. Today I'm going to explain about the inheritance. Inheritance is one of the concept of the object-oriented programming language. The inheritance is an important part of the object-oriented programming language. It is a mechanism in Java by which one class is allowed to inherit the features of the another classes. So that is the inheritance. There are some technologies available in Java. For example, the superclass. In superclass, the class those whose features are inherited in is known as the superclass. And then second is the subclass. In a subclass, the class that inherits the another class, that is known as the subclass. And in subclass, the derived class, extend class or the child class, and the subclass can added its own field, and the method is addition to the subclass field and method. So that is the subclass. Then we will see about the reusability. Inheritance supports the concept of reusability. That is when we want to create a new class, and there is already a class that include some of the code that we want, and derive our new class from the existing class. By doing this are reusing the field and the method of the existing class. So this is about the reusability. Then we will see about the types of the inheritance. There are the four main types of inheritance, that is a single inheritance, multi-level inheritance, then hybrid inheritance, hierarchical inheritance, and multiple inheritance. So we will see one by one details about these inheritance. So first of all we will see about the what is a single inheritance. Okay, in a single inheritance, a subclass inherits the features of the superclass. So that is called as a single inheritance. For example, suppose having a class A and class B. In single inheritance, the class A extend with the class B. So that is the one of the example of single inheritance. Then we will see about the multi-level inheritance. In a multi-level inheritance, a derived class will be inherits with the one or inherits with the base class and as well as the derived class. It also act as a base class to the other classes. This is the multi-level inheritance. Then we will see about the hierarchical inheritance. Okay, in hierarchical inheritance, suppose in this inheritance, the one class serve as a super class, that is a base class for more than one classes. So that is the hierarchical inheritance. Then we will see about the multiple inheritance. Okay, but the multiple inheritance is not supported in Java. For example, suppose I having a class A, class B, and class C, and suppose the class A and class B having a same method, and the class C extend with class A and class B. At that time, when we call the method of the class A and class B, that time the ambiguity is created. So that's why the multiple inheritance is not supported in Java. Then we will see about the hybrid inheritance. It is a mix of two or more or the above type of inheritance. And since Java doesn't support the multiple inheritance with the classes of hybrid inheritance, so it is also not possible with the classes. So that is the hybrid inheritance. So that's all about the information about the inheritance in Java programming. Thank you.